According to Vantage, all inquiries for rate shopping counts as one inquiry within a 14-day period. It is a good idea to bunch your loan applications because of how long rate shopping is treated by the two frequently used models, Vantage Score and FICO. Vantage counts all inquiries made within 14-day period as just one inquiry on your credit report if they are all one specific type of loan, like mortgage or auto loan. You might want to consider doing all your rate shopping within 14 days to limit the impact, no matter which scoring models your lenders use.